July 18th. We're on a Tuesday. It'll be this 18th all day long today. The market's been going. You've probably, if you're watching tech, noticed some of the news around Microsoft. So what's been going on there? They basically introduced their AI tool pricing, and they said it's going to be $30 per month for an AI subscription for Microsoft 365. So people are liking that. Let's head over to Longbow dashboard, see what's happening with the Qs and the stock, so you can make some decisions from a technical perspective. So here we are. I'm just showing you that obviously this is affecting the Qs, where Qs are getting near overbought signals. It's based on the news. Google's down today. So I think people are getting excited about Microsoft. As a note, we do own it. So we're not like pumping this stock, but we're not alone. This is a huge stock. Lots of people own it. Where are we? Just making a big, wide new mouth in that trading range, hitting the high end of the range. We've got a bullish setup, applied volatility premium. So that's why probably you can see a 5% jump in a day. We're heading now in a beta of about 1.2. So it means it's moving more than the market when the market moves at any 1%. But we're hitting that overbought signal. Let's take a look at the momentum indicators. The white is the security price, obviously much higher than we're looking at the short-term and the medium-term momentum ranges here. And the lines you're seeing are below the stock price. So those are going to be heading up still. So you need a pretty big dislocation in the stock price for this to be turning neutral or bearish. So right now, bullish should be holding for a while, which means that when you're going to get oversold signals, it's a clear way to buy into it. But when you're getting overbought, it doesn't mean you go short the stock, but it just means you could see a little bit of pullback because we're over the top of our skis here. We're looking at a minus 7.5 to 1 odds. So be a bit careful in that, but you're going to probably get some news flow here. A lot of people will be writing about it and exciting the product and doing a ballpark of, well, how much money does that mean that they're going to make? So you can see runs like this happen for a little while, but we're just having you watch the security, taking a look at what does matter when you're looking at it. So if these odds keep getting worse, obviously you can decide to protect a position that you may already own. You may decide to obviously not go into it when it's overbought, but watch that so that the white can come back down to a more reasonable level if you're looking into making an entry. So we do like the setup, just not obviously here and after a big run. But we're going to be bringing some really detailed information on big tech from a technical perspective. So mirroring and kind of matching the macro and linking it to the fundamental, linking it to the tactical technical signals. So that might give you a better way to understand like how to use Longbow and connect it to maybe the work you're doing or the data you're seeing to really give yourself the best setup, the best odds, the best asymmetry when you are tactically entering and exiting positions. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully you're in Microsoft today and enjoying a little bit of the run, and we'll catch you back tomorrow.